So your character needs to cough. Perhaps they're sick, perhaps they have an allergy, perhaps they just have a dry throat and they need to cough. So how do actors get this wrong? Well, they just go they cover their hand, they don't invest in the cough, they just do the cough. And there's several different levels of coughing, from clearing your throat to full-on hacking cough from a flu or something, or pneumonia. Discover the reason why your character is coughing, the reason why they have a cough in the first place. And almost always with a cough, unless we're completely alone and on our sick bed or something like that, the cough is something we try to mask as an actor, as a character. We don't want to spray everybody with germs, so that's why we would cover our mouths or with our hand or sleeve, or we try to mask the fact that we're coughing and let it get out of control that way. The first thing you want to do is imagine the physiological sensation. Usually a cough starts from a tickle in the back of your throat, just about the middle of the throat. Picture it, feel it, it's annoying you, and you can't quite escape it. You've got to clear your throat. A small cough, or clearing of the throat, or those kind of things are all ways of getting rid of that, of dealing with the sensation of cough, of trying to avoid it, of trying to overcome it. If you have to cough, if your character just has to cough, give it that cough. You're expelling whatever it is from your throat or your lungs or your nasal passages out, and you want to do that as expressively as possible. Is the cough out of control? Is it just one cough? Is it multiple coughs? Is there wheezing in it? If the lungs are involved, there's some phlegm and stuff like that. Expelling a little bit more air out of yourself, pushing it out violently, getting your lungs involved, feeling that vibration in your lungs, bending over and expelling forward helps get those big coughs out. You could also cough from swallowing something the wrong way and choking. Then the sensation is that clearing of the water out of the windpipe. Intake of breath after. Remember to not just all be coughing. Think of the times that you have coughed and the reasons why your character is coughing, and then also play trying not to let somebody else see your cough. So hiding a cough. Feel the sensation, and then you will feel the cough. So now you know how to cough effectively. Let's learn how to burp effectively, or you can learn how to sneeze effectively. Take your pick.